How to book on Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat and today I'll guide you on how you can book on Airbnb. Now it's quite simple. Once you open up your Airbnb account, it's quick and easy booking. Simply choose from a wide range of properties. So you can see your bed and breakfast option and such. You can see icons here. So you can go ahead and you can see coming August there are events, so you can search where do you want to go. You can select any place and you can select date and such. Once you select it, you can select who is coming, so 2 adults or 3 adults, children's 1 or 2, infants if one, or pets if available. Then you can search, then based on the availability it'll show you the best place, so you can tap on it and open it up. Now you can see reserve option. You can simply tap on reserve. Now if there is no reserve option, you can book it as well. So you can pay with credit, a debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, and then you can add in your phone number. You can see this reservation is non-refundable, so make sure to check that out if the cancellation is refundable or non-refundable. Different properties have different cancellation policies, and you can see guest ground rules and simply tap and confirm and pay and go ahead and make the payment and you're good to go. So first you can choose your location, then you can choose the confirmation of guests that you'll be coming, the numbers of guests that you'll be going along with, and go ahead and make the booking at the suitable place. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.